Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Eagle Nebula Pillars in Infrared from Hubble. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see an image, sometimes also known as the Pillars of Creation. Now, it may look a little different if you're familiar with that image. That's because this is the same region, but instead of visible light, it is observed in the infrared. Now, the pillars of creation themselves are finger-like, pointing up towards a star cluster, and that star cluster is then eating away at that material. Now, when we look in visible light, they're opaque. We can't see through them. However, the dust that makes up these pillars is transparent in some of the infrared wavelengths. So here we're looking in the near infrared, and we can see through. We can note that especially that pillar to the left is very much more transparent than you might be used to seeing. Again, it's all because there's nothing changed here. The only thing we're changing is the wavelength at which we're observing. Longer wavelengths are better able to penetrate the dust and give us a look inside this region to see what's happening. And that's one way we can study star formation. Not with visible light. Most of star formation is actually hidden in visible light. However, with infrared light, we can then look into some of those dark, dusty areas that are otherwise hidden here. And we can see that especially towards the top of the leftmost image. There's still a lot more dust there than we have in the other parts of that pillar. Also, we can see as we look toward the middle image there, the middle section, it almost looks like there's a star that is just bursting out at the top. That top is the densest region. So that is the part that is most likely to form a star. And here in the middle, it looks like a star is forming there and just going to burst out. Now, if we look down to the third one, the lowest of the three here, it looks like the star has already emerged. You can almost see the C shape at the bottom, where it's been hollowed out as a new star has formed and is eating away at the material that was left. And that's what's going to continue to happen here over time. The stars that form will then eat away at more and more of this dust, leaving essentially nothing behind. Now, there is a star cluster associated with this, and that is the open star cluster known as M16, up toward the top of the image and off the top of the frame. And then we can see that is what is eating away and forming this nebula. So the stars form from the gas and dust, and then the stars that form eat away the gas and dust. And it becomes a question in these pillars whether the stars can form fast enough. So can new stars form fast enough to finish their formation before the energy from the already formed stars pushes away the rest of the material and leaves them not enough material to actually form stars? So star formation is a battle between the stars that form earlier and the dust that is trying to form new stars. So that was our picture of the day, titled Eagle Nebula Pillars in Infrared from Hubble. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.